testosterone is the only hormone responsible for your health as a full-blooded man. It drives your virility and, incidentally, your libido. It takes care of your muscle mass, bone density, and it even balances your mood. When your testosterone levels are running low, your entire being as a man is in serious jeopardy. You'll feel weak. You'll pass on time between the sheets with your loved one. You'll rarely feel right. It's a good thing you can bring those T levels up. But first, know what causes your testosterone levels to go down. One of the biggest factors is your age. As you age, the testosterone production slows down. Next is your lifestyle. Living an unhealthy lifestyle causes low testosterone levels. And lastly, stress. So you have to get moving. That couch feels nice, right? Well, don't get too comfortable because when you lead a sedentary lifestyle, your brain tells your body to not produce the hormone. What you want to do is get active. Go for early morning or late night runs. Swim at the local club. Go for a brisk 20-minute walk. Getting active doesn't have to mean becoming a full-fledged athlete. You just need to get those muscles going, build up strength and improve endurance. You'll not only raise your T levels naturally but you'll also look nice for the ladies. Eat strategically. When you're getting food for the cave, go for the right items: tuna, beef liver, kidney beans, whole grains, egg yolks, milk fortified with vitamin D, and other fortified foods to increase testosterone. You should also grab some oysters and shellfish, both of which contain zinc, an important nutrient for maintaining T levels. You may also want to add cabbage, which reportedly flushes out girly hormones, and honey, which is rich in nitric oxide, a necessity for better bedroom performance. Sleep well. A study by the University of Chicago has discovered that lack of sleep can significantly reduce testosterone. So work on sleeping better. Try to go for 7 to 8 hours. Lose the excess weight. Being overweight isn't just unhealthy, it's also one of the reasons why your T levels are plummeting. If you enjoy your greasy, fried, and fatty foods, losing the extra fat may not be one of the easiest natural testosterone boosters. But it is one of the more beneficial because it will keep you safe from heart disease, diabetes, and other medical conditions linked to being overweight or obese.